Hi, everybody. This is Jeffrey Jones. I am a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we have changed the way you should watch TV. Our main website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxman.com. And again, Happy New Year. We're about the second week going into the next Monday is a holiday, the 15th. I want to get right into this video about GTV mixed in with Google Television. And if you don't know about the Formuler Gtv, it's okay. It's been around for about almost 3 years, and I've owned it from Formuler, the manufacturer, and it's one of my go-to devices. But the way they have set up Google Television to really be in every device almost, especially if it's Google certified, it's really a game changer. So we're going to take a look at some of the benefits of having this device mixed in with the Google television platform, and to see if it's something you might want to be interested in. Maybe you might want to purchase from us or someone else, but mainly from us. Now, when we talk about Google or Google Television, you need to understand that Google is a pioneer. I mean, ever since they came in on the scene, the majority of things that Google gives us are absolutely free. I mean, you don't pay for Gmail, you don't pay for the Drive unless you want extra space. You don't really pay for the security. There's a privacy issue, but that's part of the game, I think. But Google sets itself apart of being available for just about any platform, even the made-up platforms from China that have a made-up jerry-rigged Play Store. But when you get a certified Google device from a manufacturer like Formular, it becomes a game changer. So let's take a look at a mixture of some of the benefits that you get when you have a GTV. All right, so number one, let's just say Google Television, the home screen. Google TV home screen, that's the number one. On the Google TV home screen, you're going to notice, if you haven't seen this before, like everything is at your fingertips. I mean, you can't go wrong here. And I mean that because if you have a Gmail and you're willing to connect your Gmail to this device, look at everything that's on my device. So I got YouTube recommended. I have my ESPN because I try other apps. I got my Sinclair. I like a good movie now and then. So I have Plex, which is free. Tubi, which is free. And then there's other on the Google Play, so I can download any other app that I want, even Apple TV. Here's the Plex Movie and TV. Sling free movie and TV. Then there's Peacock, which I pay for, which we're going to look at in a moment. Then it just keeps going down, whether it be Local Now, another free app, all the way down to my Spotify. So if you like everything at your fingertips, or I should say right in front of you, Google Television is the launcher that you want. There are no ads coming. If you'll notice, there are no ads on this launcher screen. There are no advertisements. Even though it's Google, you don't see any ads whatsoever. So the GTV has a little bit of privacy where you're not getting any ads. And if you are, they're being blocked because I'll show you in a moment with the right utility. But the main thing about this is that the Google TV launcher is condensed. They've even put a little shop section here that you can get top selling movies. You can rent or even look at some new releases, whatever you want to do. The benefits are endless. And I really like that because streaming is where it's at. Now, given that the GTV is one of the best ones out there, I don't think you're going to miss out with, even if you wanted to pay these, you can. Um, some people don't have providers that give them internet streaming television. Maybe you don't mind paying it. Also, I like the fact that every application that's on the device is awesome. So the Google platform, the Google TV platform is awesome. Now, one of the things I love about the GTV and the Google TV platform is the way it plays verified apps. And what do I mean by verified apps? A verified app is something that you pay for. I don't care if they know about it or you pay for something like My Family Cinema. That's a verified app. It's a subscription-based app that you pay them. Speaking of subscription-based apps, Peacock TV is one of my favorite applications. Not because that's the only place you're going to watch that football game that they had for the first time and made people buy it, but more importantly, as you can see, I am a member of this because I like NBC shows. So I'm saving a ton of money, but this is a premium app that I absolutely love. And you can tell that Gumby is here and we are doing our business. So I pay for this app every single year. I pay for 1 year, I think I paid $64. But with everything, the way it plays on the GTV with verified apps, given Google and the way they put this GTV together, it's absolutely amazing. And this is not a play for the app, but more importantly, the play in demonstration on how the application plays on the device. So let me show this if I can open it up real quick. They break it down from the top. I mean, they have TED all the way down. So if I go to, let's say, Dateline, and I click on that, all right, you got to watch the latest episode, and one of the things it's going to do is probably play an advertisement, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, there's an advertisement. These are ad supported, and you can say that it's Peacock, and we're just going to block everything out so you can see it, but it just populates really, really fast. And I think it's real worth it for the way this application plays. I like Peacock, but I like if I have a verified app that I'm paying for, I want it to play really well. And on the GTV, oh my gosh, it plays really well. The last thing I'm going to say is the reason why the GTV and Google Television works. It's because they're from the same company. I mean, it's Google, y'all. I mean, you're not going to beat Google. I don't care who you are. Amazon can't beat Google. NVIDIA Shield can't beat Google. I don't even think Formuler can beat Google. Google rules the world in streaming. I mean, they own YouTube TV, they own Sunday Ticket, and they're doing a really good job for those that want to pay for it. I choose not to pay for it. There are other avenues that I'll take. But game recognizes game, and I recognize Google, and I recognize this GTV. Now, lucky for you, as I close out the video, I want you to know that I have some open box GTVs. I think they're not even 5 days old. The person that got them or received them wanted to get the Z11 Pro Maxes. So I have two GTVs for $80. So each, not both, each. So if you're a person that wants the GTV, I'll put a link to the Formuler website so you can see the specs on it. And if you want this, just text us or call the toll-free number and mention the GTV, and we'll get you a coupon code so you can purchase these, and you'll be on your way. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Once again, I hope you're grinding in your new year. I wish you the best. Check us out if you want the best boxes, the best customer service, tech support. We rock it really, really strong, and we got some great deals for you. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.